Good morning everyone. So we will start with the next question of differential equation. We were dealing with variable separable form, right? So let's see the next question. Solve if dy by dx is equal to e to the power of x plus y, and it is given that for x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1, find y when x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to what? That means we have to find y. After solving this equation, we have to substitute x and y value to the answer of this. Okay. So then you will get an equation, right? From there again you have to substitute x is equal to minus 1 and find what is y. Okay. We'll understand this better by solving this. Okay. So let's start. What is given? It's given that dy by dx is equal to e to the power of x plus y. So now we have to the power of x plus y. Segregating this, how to separate this? Dy by dx is equal to e to the power of x into e to the power of y, right? So now we have dy by, we will bring y term together, e to the power of y is equal to e to the power of x into dx, right? So now we have, this can be written as e to the power of minus y dy is equal to e to the power of x dx. Now integrating on both sides. After integrating on both sides, what do we get? We will have integral of e to the power of minus y dy is equal to integral of e to the power of x dx. So what do we have? So we have integral of e to the power of minus y. What is integral of e to the power of minus y? Integration of e to the power of y is e to the power of y. If it is minus, differentiation of minus y should be written in the denominator. Okay, is equal to e to the power of x plus c. Right, so this can be written as minus e to the power of minus y is equal to e to the power of x plus c. Okay. Now we have to substitute the value of x and y. What was x? When x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1, what do I have? In this equation, I'm taking this as equation 1. What do I have? I'll have minus e to the power of minus of 1 is equal to e to the power of 1 plus c. So this can be written as minus 1 by e is equal to e plus c, right? Okay, so now we will find what is c from this. I'll bring this e to the other side. We have 1 by e minus e is equal to c. So we have minus 1 minus e square divided by e is equal to c, right? So I'll substitute the value of c in equation 1. That is substituting e square divided by e, right? So now we have to simplify this. We have e power minus y is equal to e power x plus minus 1 minus e square by 2. So what do we have to do now? Simplifying this, what do we get? E to the power of minus y is equal to e power x plus I'm splitting the denominator, minus 1 by e minus e square by e. Okay, so now what do I have? I have e power x. I'm taking minus common outside. Here 1e and 1e gets cancelled. So I have 1 by e plus e, right? So what will I do now? Okay, I'll take this to the numerator. This becomes minus 1 plus e, right? Now we'll get into the second half of the question, that is when x is equal to minus 1, we have to find what is y, right? When x is equal to minus 1, what do we have? When x is equal to minus 1, we have e power minus y is equal to e power x minus e to the power of minus 1 plus e. So in the place of x, what are we substituting? Minus 1, right? So now simplifying this, what do I get? E to the power of minus 1 is equal to e to the power of minus 1 minus e to the power of minus 1 minus e. So here plus e to the power of minus 1 minus e to the power of minus 1 gets cancelled. Now we have e to the power of minus y is equal to minus e, right? Okay, so now we know log e base e is 1, that is log e base e is nothing but 1, right? So if this is the case, I'll take log on both sides. So taking log on both sides, what do I have? Log of e to the power of minus y is equal to log of minus e. Okay, we had a minus sign here. Sorry for the mistake. Okay, when I wrote it this side, I missed this minus sign. So we, according to equation 1, we have a minus e to the power of minus y here. So this is also minus. That means here minus minus here. That means this minus and this minus gets cancelled. Okay, that is, you can see here equation 1. What do the equation 1 contain? Minus e power minus y is equal to e power x plus c, right? So this minus e power minus y, I wrote minus e power minus y. Yes. So we have, we don't have this is plus e power y, right? So we have e to the log e to the power of minus y is equal to log of e. That means this is base e, right? So log e base e is 1. All of you know that. So here log e base e is 1. I am using the formula a log a power n, that is n log m power n. What is log m power n? Log m to the power of n is nothing but n log m, right? It is n log m. That means this can be written as minus y log e. It is base e. Again now we get log e base e, that is nothing but 1. So y into 1 is equal to 1. So this can be written as minus y is equal to 1. That implies what is y value? Y is equal to minus 1, which is our required answer here, because our question was to find what is the value of y. So our next question is solve y dash is equal to 2y by x. So y dash is nothing but dy by dx is equal to 2y by x. So now separating variable separable form, what do we get? Dy by 2y is equal to, I am bringing this y together with dy dx by x. Now what do we have to do? Integrating on both sides, what do we get? Dy by 2y is equal to integral of dx by x. There is nothing but 1 by 2 is a constant, we can take it outside. Integral of 1 by y dy is equal to integral of 1 by x dx. What is integral of 1 by y? It is nothing but log y. 1 by 2 into log y is equal to log x plus the integration constant c. So now in order to eliminate this 2, I'll multiply the entire equation by, multiplying by 2, what do I get? So 2 by 2 into log y is equal to 2 log x plus 2c, twice the constant again becomes a constant, so I can retain that as c. Okay, so we have 2 and 2 gets cancelled. This becomes log y is equal to, according to the log property, I can write this as log of x square, right? N log m can be written as log m to the power of n plus c, right? So now what I am doing is I am writing this given equation as e to the power of, so raising to the power of e. So what I am doing in the left hand side has to be done in the right hand side too, right? So e to the power of log x square plus c. So here e power log y is nothing but y. Whatever is inside the log value, that will be the answer of this. Okay, always. So here e to the power of log x square can be written as x square, but here you have plus c, right? So according to the logarithm formula, e to the power of m plus n is nothing but e, not logarithmic formula, exponential formula, e to the power of log x square into e to the power of c, right? So now we have, this can be written as y is equal to, what is inside the bracket of log is x square into e to the power of c, right? So now we have y is equal to x square e to the power of c. Here you can see e to the power of c is also a constant, right? So I can replace this constant again by another constant c. So we have y is equal to x square c, which is our required answer. Our next question is, solve 2x into y plus 1 dx minus y into dy is equal to 0 at x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0. So when x and y values are not given, so that kind of solution we call it as general solution. Okay, so when it is given, x and y values are given and you are finding the constant c's value, such kind of solution is called as particular solution. Got it? That is, c value is implemented and we are finding an answer, that is called as particular solution. If c value is not given, we are not finding c value and writing, such kind of solution is called as general solution. Okay, so we had come across this type of problem. This is the second problem, right? One problem we had come across, right? So we will start this. A question is 2x into y plus 1 into dx minus y into dy is equal to 0, right? So here I will divide the entire equation by y plus 1, right? Here with this I don't want this term. Here we don't have any term. So we have to divide the given equation by 1 by y plus 1. What do we get? 2x into y plus 1 into 1 by y plus 1 dx minus y by y plus 1 dy is equal to 0. So we can cancel these two. We get 2x dx is minus y by y plus 1 dy is equal to 0. We successfully bought x terms with dx and y terms with dy. So here what can we do is 2x into dx, when integrating on both sides, we get this. So here integral of 2x, constant 2 we will take outside, integration of x is x square by 2 minus, here what I am going to do is I will make the numerator equal to the denominator. In order to do that, what should I do? I should add 1 and subtract 1. So I will combine these y plus 1 together, divided by y plus 1. Now I can split the denominator, right? So what do I get? I get integral of y plus 1 by y plus 1 dy minus integral of, if I am taking minus common outside, this becomes, minus, this minus is here already, I am splitting this integral, right? So what do I get? I get 1 by y plus 1 dy is equal to 0. Here y plus 1 gets cancelled. So what do you have? Integral of dy, minus into minus becomes plus, integral of 1 by y plus 1 dy. So here if I write this as, if I take y plus 1 is equal to u, differentiating this, what do you get with respect to dy? It's nothing but du by dy is equal to du by dy. Here with respect to y, integration of y, differentiation of y is 1, differentiation of 1 is 0. That means dy is equal to dy is equal to du. dy is equal to du, right? So what do you have here? Integral of 1 by u. What is dy? dy is du is equal to 0. So we can write this as x square minus integration of dy is y plus integration of this is log u is equal to 0. Replacing u back to y term, what do you have? U is nothing but y plus 1. So we have x square minus y plus log of y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so here this is our required answer, but what they've given, when x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0, this is your general solution. Okay, sorry, I did not had the constant c plus c. So we have, this is the general solution. Particular solution is after applying this values, substituting this value. So x value is 1, so 1 square minus 0 plus log of 0 plus 1 is equal to c. We have 1 minus, okay, minus 0 is plus, what is log 1? Log 1 is also 0 is equal to c. So c is nothing but 1. Substituting the value of c in the general solution, take this as equation 1. Take this as equation 1. So substituting the value of c in 1. Now substituting the value of c in equation 1, what do we get? This value of c is 1. So we have to write equal to 1, right? So after substitution, what do we have? X square minus y is y plus log of y plus 1 is equal to 1. So this is a particular solution. Okay, this is a required answer. Thank you.